Hello guys, thank you for returning to this channel. Thank you so much for visiting this channel, for clicking on it in the first place. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Help me to grow this channel because I share fashion DIYs, fashion tips, styles and all things relating to fashion. Please stay around, turn on the bell button so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. So I have with me here a ruffler foot. I'll be sharing with you how to use this ruffler foot on a domestic sewing machine. When you get a ruffler foot, the first thing you should check is if it is moving back and forth. This ruffler foot is numbered. If you look here, you will see that there is star, 12, 6 and 1. This one ruffles, whereas these two, the 6 and the 12, pleats. The star sews a straight stitch. So if you want to get a very thick ruffles, thick gathers, you use this star. But if you want scanty pleats, you use 6. If you want just few pleats, you use this 12. So this is the highest, the higher and the high. So this star is just a straight stitch, assuming you just want to sew a straight stitch before making your gathers. This is the one you use instead of changing to a normal presser foot. You use this, sew straight before you now lift it up. This is how you do it. Lift it, you put in 1 or in 2 or in 3, then on star. Like I said, is the straight stitch is what you have if you are using this. Also here you'll find this number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. This is the stitch length. With this knob at the back here, with this knob, you can move if you want it to be at 3, at 4, at 8. Once you take it to the stitch length you want it to be at, you screw it like this. Just screw it. So we'll be testing it on our sewing machine, how it gathers fabric. This is a very nice foot, especially if you are making gathers for 2. You will be needing this. So basically the first thing you do is to remove these foot, which I'm going to remove now. Remove the entire snap-on foot, this entire holder. So now this foot has come off. What you do next is this place, this particular place should sit on the needle plate, whereas this plate should go in here, in between here. Your needle is threaded. This is going to sit on the needle here, whereas this place is going to sit here. So you just try and position it. Then this is already sitting on the needle plate. And you screw it back. When you finish screwing it, you check if your needle is hitting anything. If it is going in and out freely, then that means you fixed it properly. So your stitch will be on straight stitch. So let's bring in our fabric. There's a separator guide here. See this? This is the separator. You put these clothes in between the separator. You see? There's a plate here, there's a plate here. The separator comes up. So you put it here. I don't know if you can see it. You put it here. It goes into the separator and comes back again. Then it comes out to this end. Let's repeat it. This is the separator plate. These are the two plates that the clothes will be sitting on. You put it down here. And you pass it. You bring your footer down. The stitch length I'm putting it, let's assume I'm putting it on 8. It's resting on 8. You can put it on 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 0. We'll try all of them out and see how all ruffles. So now I'll be putting it on 1, stitch length 8. Let's see how it ruffles. So this is what the gathers look like. See how close they are. This is when I set it at 8. I set it at 8 and my stitch length is at highest at 4. Then my thread tension is at 9. So let's set it at 4 and see what it will give us. At 4 now, but still on the 1, tension thread tension is at 9 and stitch length is at 4. Let's see the difference. So look at what this one gave us. See how beautiful they are. You can make your gathers without stress. So let's try out the number 6 and the number 12. Raise it up and place it on number 6. The same stitch length and the same thread tension. The same stitch length on the ruffle and number 4, but on 6. So this is it. Let's see. The ruffles are equally spaced. So if you want fewer pleats, you go for this, number 6. If you want tinier pleats or ruffles or fuller gathers, you go for number 1. This is number 1. Then number 12 is what we are going to check on now. Put it on 12. So basically, you just have to be trying it out. Anyone you choose to go with, depending on the amount of fabric you have, then you should go with that. You try it out, you know how it gathers, how you like them. You see how beautiful they are. We've tried. This is number 12 flower plates. This is the number 1, and this is the number 6. You see how equally spaced they are. So you try them out and choose the one you want depending on the amount of fabric you have, just like I said.